Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18C543A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have the FX4 off-road package, factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed. Spray-in bed liner, and then you also have the soft cover on top. Those are going to keep your bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and your dual climate control, as well as dual heated seats. Four-wheel drive controls, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.